Here's the anchor, Emma McLean, 9.875 against Alabama. Big Buchenko 1.5 coming up here.
I'd say another 10-0 start value for Michigan. Wow, 2 6 in a row. I don't know if we're gonna see that too often. She is excited, her team is excited.
This is already the number 4 vault rotation in the country. Again, a 49.025 last week against Alabama.
Look at how high she gets. Her body position is great. Sees that landing, doesn't move. As soon as those feet hit the ground, she knows that was good.